cow beef tongue. And that's what we are preparing today to take with chapati. Have you ever tried cow beef tongue? That's what we are frying. Wow. Fry until it's well dried up. Remember, we are making cow tongue or cow beef tongue. I first boiled until it was tender. Then now I'm deep frying. As the tongue gets ready, now I also fry the onion because I want to make wet fried beef. Remember, it's beef tongue. Adding some garlic. I've added some tomatoes, green bell pepper, and garlic, mix a little, and allow it to cook. Our beef is getting ready, as you can see. Remember, it's beef tongue or cow tongue, whatever you want to call it, but at least it's a tongue for the cow. Adding some thyme, parsley, turmeric, and salt in the mixture. Look at our sauce. It's ready. I'll just put it in my meat cow tongue. Wow, ready. Look at our mixture. Just pour it in there. The cow tongue is ready. Let me know at the comment section how you find it. Please prepare, don't write it off. Go and get a piece of cow tongue and prepare for your family or for yourself and enjoy.